Betta Inspect It is a nationwide business with member companies offering specialist pre-purchase house inspections. We're one of the most comprehensive and customer-focused inspection companies in the country. Our reports are easy to understand and efficiently summarised for easy referencing, are produced in a rapid turnaround time, and are accepted by all banks and lending institutions. Betta Inspect It inspectors are members of the NZIBI and Building Officials Institute of New Zealand, and are pre-purchase House Safe accredited. We also hold full professional indemnity insurance and public liability for your peace of mind. Our customer care centre will organise all the details of an inspection, including access to the property. Call our customer care centre anytime on 0800 422 388. Your Betta Inspect It inspector will arrive with all the tools required to complete your inspection. We always begin with the interior of the building, systematically beginning in the bedrooms and working through to the service areas of the building, like the kitchen or bathrooms. Lighting and electrical services are then investigated, along with a sampling of the room's hot points. Notes are kept and photos taken relating to any major concerns inside the building envelope. This may include evidence of scrim, uneven flooring, or other significant safety concerns. The fuse board and hot water cylinder will be visually inspected and the circuit breaker type noted, along with any more major defects associated with these elements. There is a specific section in the report that will focus on the weather tightness of the property. This will include the moisture meter results, along with information on the fixing of the cladding, flashings and junctions, soffit depth, complexity of building and other high-risk factors like wind zone and stories. Areas of the interior of the house that look to have undertaken renovation, possibly requiring a building consent, will be commented on. Defects such as staining on the ceiling, paint bubbling under the windows, swelling of an underbench shelf, to name a few, can all be telltale issues that form part of a larger problem. Betta Inspect It's systematic approach to inspection limits the chance of these more major issues being missed. Betta Inspect It focuses on the 9 major areas of the property that we see as a concern for our clients when buying a property. One of these is the roof and roof space. Your Betta Inspect It inspector will access the roof space when suitable access is provided, checking for any major concerns associated with the key inspection elements in the roof. These include indications of water penetration, the integrity of the structural elements, insulation, and any obvious structural alteration. Poor roof functionality can cause major defects and maintenance issues. Due to access difficulties, roofing repair can be expensive, so a comprehensive roof space inspection outlining any major defects could save you money. The exterior is of key importance, especially as it takes the brunt of weathering. Unfortunately, all roofs do weather and will need replacing in time, so knowing if there are any major concerns is important. When it's safe to do so, your Betta Inspect It inspector will access the roof and comment on any major defects or significant maintenance requirements. These include corrosion, coating deterioration, and gutter blockages. Next, your inspector will look at another of the 9 major building elements, the structure's exterior wall cladding. All visible areas will be inspected, comments made on materials and notes taken on any indications of water penetration, significant maintenance requirements, and the overall functionality of the cladding. Your inspector will comment on any major defects noted on any site improvements associated with the property, including decks and patios. Like the roof, the exterior of the building is just as important in keeping the weather and water out, so knowing of any significant maintenance requirements, water penetration, and any functional operational issues is important. The subfloor is the structural base of the building, so it needs to be in a condition that supports the structure above. Your inspector, where access allows, will enter the subfloor and start from the ground and work up to the underside of the floorboarding, inspecting and commenting on the foundation material, obvious cracking and foundation deterioration, significant maintenance requirements, obvious structural alterations, insulation, and the functional operation of the foundation and subfloor. We then move to the plumbing and electrical services. The underside of surfaces like the shower and bath will be checked for leaks, along with the type and functional operation of the supply and discharge piping. All electrical wiring is inspected for any major defects. Your Betta Inspect It inspector will cast an eye over the rest of the site's improvements, ensuring there are no major defects or maintenance issues that may cost you money in the future. This will include outbuildings where any significant maintenance and damage will be documented. Finally, there will also be a small section in the report outlining any pest problems and other potential hazards, like significant evidence of borer and termites, any asbestos, mould and mildew, or other safety issues. The Betta Inspect It team are more than happy for you to be present during the inspection and to ask any questions. Betta Inspect It are here to help. We would love the opportunity to inspect your next home. If you have any questions, call us anytime on 0800 422 388.